Hi there and welcome to this unboxing of Caseology Envoy series case for the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So let's pop it open and see what's inside and how it looks. This is the box. The price was $19.99, so 20 euros, but the usual retail price is around $30. So basically slide out the case. And you take out it. Look at this structure of the carbon fiber weave, and it actually feels quite solid in your hand. I don't know what kind of material it is, but it looks quite good in my opinion. What do you think? Also some probably shock resistant pattern inside, some paperwork. Let's let it open. Thank you letter. Review me. Yes, I am doing that. Lock, click and select. Very nice. So let's put it on the device and take out the older Samsung Galaxy cover. This is how it actually looks after 1 year of use. I would say fine. Not the best, not the worst. Okay. I don't know if it's just me, but I really like the design of Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, especially. Popping onto the new cover, it's very easy, hopefully. Oh no, you need 2 hands. But yeah, it's gonna look sick. So this is how the phone looks like with the case on. I mean, it fits perfectly inside. Also, we've got the protection lip, so when you lay the device flat on the surface, it's going to protect the screen from any accidental scratches. So I really like the design. It's I mean, probably one of the best looking cases you can get for your device. And we'll see how it holds up then. But it looks amazingly fine and detailed. So if you want to have a look around the device in all of its glory,